In this video, we will learn how to create graph in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet. I have some student data with the marks of the every subject of student. So just first select the data, click on the insert tab, click on the chart option. You get here chart with the name of student and marks. Okay, you can see here the customized chart. You can see here there's so many options you can customize the chart style, chart axis styles, titles, series, legend, horizontal axis, vertical axis, and grid line and ticks. So you can customize one by one. I just customize the chart style. I click on the background color is white. You can change it to background color. Okay. Then you can change your font size. Okay. Then chart border color. That's it. If you want to change any other things, you can change the chart and titles, chart titles. You can change. Here the chart title is mentioned English finance. You can edit here student data. Okay, just enter. You can see here the student data name is changed. Now title font also you can change if you want to hire bold. I just click this one. Then here you can change the title format also bold, italic, text color also you can change here. Then you just hide. You can change the any other option. Horizontal axis. You can see here the changes. Okay, step counts. Hope you understand how you can change as per your requirements. You can customize your chart. Okay, that's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel.